Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to Popcorn Portal Official. Today, we're embarking on a journey to master our emotions, focusing specifically on the powerful emotion of anger. Controlling anger is a skill that can significantly improve our lives and relationships. Let's dive into a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to control your anger effectively. Understanding anger. To begin, let's understand anger. It's a natural emotion, often triggered by various factors like stress, frustration, or feeling misunderstood. Recognizing the root causes of your anger is essential for effective control. Step 1. Recognize. Early signs of anger. The first step in anger control is recognizing the early signs. Pay attention to physical cues like increased heart rate, muscle tension, or changes in breathing. These signs serve as your early warning system. Step 2. Take a pause. When you sense anger building, take a deliberate pause. This brief break allows you to step back from the situation and prevents impulsive reactions. Count to 10, take a deep breath, and collect your thoughts. Step 3. Assess the situation. Before reacting, assess the situation objectively. Ask yourself, is this worth getting angry about? What are the facts? This moment of reflection can help you respond more thoughtfully. Step 4. Practice. Deep breathing. Deep breathing is a powerful tool for calming the body's stress response. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Repeat this process until you feel a sense of calm. Step 5. Use assertive communication. Practice assertive communication. Express your feelings calmly and directly using I statements. This helps you convey your emotions without placing blame on others, fostering healthier conversations. Step 6. Take a timeout. Give yourself permission to take a timeout if needed. Step away from the situation, find a quiet space, and allow yourself to cool off. Returning with a clear mind can lead to a more constructive conversation. Step 7. Engage in physical activity. Channel your anger into physical activity. Whether it's a quick walk, a workout, or practicing yoga, physical exercise is an effective way to release built-up tension and improve your mood. Step 8. Practice mindfulness meditation. Incorporate mindfulness meditation into your routine. Focus on your breath, be present in the moment, and let go of racing thoughts. Mindfulness can create mental space for rational thinking and emotional balance. Step 9. Seek professional help if needed. If anger continues to be a challenge, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide guidance and strategies tailored to your specific needs. There you have it, a detailed guide on how to control your anger. Remember, it's an ongoing process, and mastering this skill takes time and practice. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Together, let's create a community focused on emotional well-being. Until next time, stay calm, stay connected, and take charge of your emotions here at Popcorn Portal Official.